So all of you know the portion of Sunday test?
Yes, ma'am. A house is not a room.
Class 9. This Sunday you will have SST, science, English and maths. Science, English and maths. So you have to English. Okay. So I sent the sample paper yesterday in the group. देखे तुम लोग? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are going to get questions
Yes,
on
ma'am.
that pattern. हाँ तो क्वेश्चन आपका उसी पैटर्न पे आएगा जैसे भेजा मैंने 40 मार्क्स एमसीक्यू है हर क्वेश्चन में चॉइस है तो चॉइस तुम लोग देख लेना जैसे रीडिंग सेक्शन में भी इन द रीडिंग सेक्शन आल्सो देयर आर 12 क्वेश्चन so you have to be careful there don't answer everything and 40 marks MCQ, 40 marks subjective, and literature weightage is 40 marks. Earlier, the weightage of literature was 30 marks. Till last year, students got 30 marks. Now, it has increased. The writing and grammar section marks has been lessened. The writing section is just 10 marks. 10 marks, 5 marks story writing, 5 marks descriptive paragraph. So that is the pattern. Prepare accordingly and okay. So first one is an extract based question.
मैम एग्जाम कब से
A
स्टार्ट
month
होगा?
later, I was at my क्या एग्जाम तो बोले थे तुम लोग को कि 26 जनवरी के बाद किसी दिन भी डेट निकल जाएगा ऑफलाइन एग्जामिनेशन होंगे स्कूल आके एग्जाम देना होगा फाइनल एग्जाम जो आपका होगा वो ऑफलाइन होगा हम लोग अरेंजमेंट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंगली एक क्लास में सिर्फ 12 स्टूडेंट्स को बैठाएंगे ऑल्टरनेट so appropriate precautionary measures will be taken and you will be called to the school for the offline examination. Proper seating arrangement will be made. Of course, masks, sanitizers will be compulsory.
You have to wear PPE kit.
क्या?
मैम स्कूल खुलेगा भी क्या?
अभी डाउट क्लास के लिए तो बोला गया है स्टूडेंट्स लेकिन कोई आ नहीं रहे डाउट क्लासेस के लिए अभी बोला गया था कि those who have doubts in any subjects they can come to school to clear their doubts. Proper classes haven't begun. Doubt classes have begun, but students are not reporting. Whatever is the reason, we don't know. But students are not reporting for doubt class. Only one student I saw today. So doubt classes have started. Schedule has been sent by all the class teachers in the class group. If you have any doubts, then you can come to school to clear your doubts. And for the doubt classes also there is proper schedule that has also been sent. Proper schedule and timing is there. So proper classes haven't begun. Doubt classes have begun. Examination will be held offline. So maybe the school reopens because governments have reopened from today. Okay, so A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it, but this time it was different. I was alone. I was with two of my friends from the school. It took a fire for me to so okay. What first question? Why was the author's house being rebuilt? Because it was in a bad void in a store. It was destroyed in fire because of an infection.
destroyed in fire.
So third option is correct because it was destroyed in fire. Why was it different this time? Why was it different this time? He had someone to help him. He had his cat. He was confident. All of these.
All of these.
All of these.
Cat तब तक मिल गया था उसको.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, he had
Cat नहीं
someone to
मिला था.
help him. Ma'am, option A.
हाँ. अभी इसको cat नहीं मिला. Cat तो last में एकदम मिलता है. He had someone to help him. Because what is the line? Watching them, I wasn't alone. ये देखो line है. I wasn't alone. I was with two of my new friends. तो नए स्कूल में भी उसके दूसरे दोस्त बन गए. So MCQ, you have to be very careful. Means wrong. No scope of half marks. So carefully think and answer. Then here represents then. Them here represents them hai. The people rebuilding the author's house, the author's friends from new school, author's grandparents. Author's friends from new school, them. Passage में them देखते. So author's friends from new school. How did the destruction of the house help the author? Removed his insecurity, allowed him to open up, make him courageous, both A and C.
Both A and C.
Yes, both A and C. Removed his insecurity and also allowed him to open up. Initially, he was very shy. He did not share his problem with anyone. But then he learned to open up, share his problem. What did the author realize? Open-minded. His life was starting from a new beginning. He needed to make more friends. He loved his cat.
His life was starting from a new beginning.
Yes, the correct option is B. His life was starting from a new beginning. His life was starting from a new beginning. So the author had been very depressed because one after the other problems kept coming in his life. First, his house caught fire. Then he could not adjust in the new school. When the chapter begins, the narrator tells us about his problems in the new school. He could not make new friends. He did not feel good in his new school. And he often used to go and meet his teachers. And then all of a sudden, his house caught fire, second problem. Then his pet cat, whom he loved so much, got separated from him. So third problem. And then life had completely changed. When he went to school also, he felt very different from the other students because he did not have proper uniform, borrowed shoes, and no bags, no books, everything got burnt. So he felt very embarrassed at school also. स्कूल में भी उसे बहुत शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती थी without proper uniform, without proper books and bags. But when this news spread in the school, then the students of the new school helped him by donating all the things, clothes, books, bags, everything. And this was a very good surprise for the author, narrator. He thought all this to be a Christmas present for him. I was really surprised, and he thought that this made him positive. This incident, where the students of the new school donated things for him, made him very positive. He started thinking that there are good people in this school also. There are good students in this school also. Everybody sympathized with him. They wanted to make friends. बहुत सारे students ने उसे lunch पे invite किया. So this changed his mindset that this new school is also full of good students, and if you make friends with them, then life will go back to normal. So, and then another good incident happened, that he got back his pet cat. So, if tragedy or if problems take place in our life, that is not the end of the life. Like when this narrator was facing problem after problem, what did he think? He thought that death is better. Sentence he says, I wanted to curl up. So suicidal thoughts came to his mind when he was facing problems after problems, feeling very lonely in the new school, house burnt, and pet cat was not there. So he felt very insecure and very depressed for some time. But then he realized that in this school also, the students have sympathy for him. In this school also, he can make new friends. So after that, his life came to normal. So his life was also making a new beginning, just as the house was being reconstructed. घर नया बन रहा था और लाइफ भी जो है एक नया फिर बिगिनिंग ले रहा था. एक बार सब कुछ खत्म हो गया और फिर जो है वो लाइफ वाज आल्सो टेकिंग अ न्यू बिगिनिंग. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct. और भी questions था. So why did the author feel embarrassed at school? Who will answer? Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my question is, why did the narrator's mother run into the burning
Ma'am,
house?
has been.
Has
Huh?
been, ma'am, has been.
Ma'am, has been.
Has been. If only. नहीं, had होगा, had. Had. Has been नहीं होगा. If only he had informed us beforehand. Emergency supplies dash the earthquake area as soon as possible by the help of. Emergency supplies must reach, should
Must
have reached.
reach.
Must reach.
Must
Yes.
reach.
Okay, emergency supplies must reach the earthquake area as soon as possible. There are issues that needed, must reach, yes, the must reach is the correct answer. So there are issues that needed dash attention before the disaster. A great many attention, a great deal of attention,
great
many
deal of-
attention,
Ma'am, a great deal of attention.
Several
yes.
of.
Option B, नहीं several of नहीं होगा. Several attention जो है वो uncountable है. Attention
Ma'am, a
is
great deal of
uncountable.
attention.
And you नहीं great deal of होगा. Several is used for countables. Several is used for countables. Attention is uncountable. Much attention बोल सकते हैं.
A great deal of.
A great deal of, हाँ. A great deal of is the correct answer. Option B.
Yes, ma'am.
As a teenager, I dash that I was just young and attractive.
I felt.
As a teenager, I felt. Yes, as a teenager, I felt that I was just young and attractive. Okay. As a teenager, I felt that I was, yes, Avinash, your answer is correct. As a teenager, no one knows exactly who the first Americans, but scientists exploring caves have found evidence that they dash from Asia. Should have arrived, would have arrived, must have arrived, or to have arrived.
Ma'am must have arrived.
Ma'am,
Must
they
have
would
arrived.
have arrived. Ma'am, would have arrived.
Option B.
Option B is correct. No, option C is correct. Must have arrived. They must have arrived. Guesswork hai, so must is also sometimes used for probability. Must have arrived. They must have arrived from Asia. They would have arrived. Would और must में मुझे भी थोड़ा confusion लग रहा है. They must have arrived. They would have arrived. They must have arrived is suitable. Okay. In the play, the two players cannot see or hear dash, but they are seated at interconnected computers. Cannot see or hear each other, one another, themselves, another.
Each
Is
other.
the-
Each other.
yes, each other is the correct. Each other is the correct option. Of course, this is a writing paragraph. So in writing section also, you are going to get some visual. Writing section में भी कुछ अच्छा. This is also another extract based question from the chapter A House is Not a Home. In the early morning when I would disturb her and get out of bed, she ran after me, climb up my robe and crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. In the early morning when I would disturb her. Who is her in the given lines?
Author's pet cat.
Author's pet cat.
Yes, author's pet cat. The author tells about the cat. When he loses his cat, then he remembers his pet cat, how he used to climb in his pocket. Robe. Robe means what? बताते हैं story पढ़ाते हैं. Yes, robe means dress or cloth. He used to climb his dress and get and sleep in his pocket. And when he was separated from his cat, he remembered those good old days. Okay, yes. Why was the narrator missing her?
She had lost.
She
She had got lost.
She had
lost.
lost her.
Uh, she had got lost. She had got lost. Okay. Option B is correct. She had got lost. What did she do when the author disturbed her?
She crawled into her pocket.
Yes, she crawled into her pocket. Okay. What does the given line tell us about the author? He loved his pet. He was very friendly.
loved
He
his
was
pet.
very
He loved his pet.
his pet.
He loved his pet.
His pet. How did the author find her? He found her near his school, at his grandparents' home. A stranger returned her. His friend gave her.
The
A
stranger returned her.
her.
A stranger returned her. A stranger woman. She came one day with a cat, and then she narrated how, with a lot of effort and difficulty, she had managed to search the real owner. So, regarding the short type questions, एग्जामिनेशन में आपका 2 marks का भी क्वेश्चन आएगा और 3 marks का भी क्वेश्चन. तो 2 marks क्वेश्चन 20 to 30 words में लिखना है and 3 marks क्वेश्चन 30 to 40 words. तो ये 20 breakdown after the fire.
Ma'am, may I?
Who will answer? 20. Okay, Pragya, answer.
Ma'am, because all the problem came in his mind at the same time and he felt very unhappy and started crying.
Okay, yes. The author felt very insecure and unhappy as his house was completely burnt and he felt himself surrounded by various problems. Yes. What did the author's mother do when the house was on fire? Will answer.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Okay, answer.
The narrator, author's mother, go back into the house and put out a metal box of important documents, and then again she go back into the house to take all the photos and letters of the author's father.
Yes. Yes, Anuj, your answer is correct. But just when you are answering, use the past tense. The author's mother went inside the house. So you have to use the simple past tense while writing the answers. The author's mother entered the house, burning house, and then she rescued some important documents which was kept in the metal box, and then she re-entered the burning house the second time also, and this time she rescued some old photographs and letters of the narrator's father, because the narrator's father had died many years ago, and those were the only tokens of remembrance. Those were the only things for his memory. So those were also very important, more important than the documents. Memories of father. Why was the author ashamed to attend school the day after his house was on fire?
Ma'am, may I?
Pragya, you have already answered. Anyone else? Pragya और आंसर किया है. सुप्रिया की भी आवाज शायद आई. निशु ने आंसर. Okay, answer.
Ma'am, Adit.
Ashim. Okay.
Ma'am, author was ashamed because he wasn't wearing proper school uniform. His shoes were also borrowed from others,
Yes.
and he did not have his bag. That's why he was feeling very ashamed.
Yes.
And
Yes. Correct
yes, ma'am.
answer. he did not have proper uniform, clothes were not ironed, shoes were not proper fitting, borrowed shoes, clothes not ironed, no books, no bags. So he felt quite different from the other students, and that is why he felt ashamed. Did he? आधा कट गया है ये. Did the author notice one Sunday afternoon? चलो आधा क्वेश्चन ही कट गया. How did the fireman help the author and her mother in escaping from the house? ये question is, on what note does the story A House Is Not a Home end? On what note? On what note means what? How is the ending of the story? So ending of the story fills us with lot of hope and optimism. The ending of the story is a happy one in which the author's life starts getting normal and he is happy once again. So the ending is a happy ending. On what note? The ending is a happy ending where the author's life, which had become totally shattered, became normal and happy. So, what is the difference between a house and a home? Who will answer?
Can I answer, ma'am?
Okay, answer.
A house is just a building.
Difference between a
And
house.
a house is just a building.
Yes.
We have no emotional attachments to our house, and a home is a building which we have lot of emotional attachment.
Yes, a house is just a building made of bricks and cement, wood, but a home is the place where the family members live together with the bonding of love and affection. Home is the place where the family members live together with lot of love and of affection. There is close bonding between all the members of the family. So home is different from a house. पेज में क्या? इसमें ग्रामर है. देखो ये जो कार्टून जैसा जो बना हुआ है ना, तो ये दिस इज डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. अगर इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आए तो डोंट गेट नर्वस एंड टेंस कि इसमें क्या करना है. तो जैसे कि किसी ने क्या कहा वो नहीं देख सकते. Just the cartoons are given and the person is speaking, that is given. So instead of writing so and so said, it is given in cartoon form. So if you get these type of questions again, then the question is based on direct and indirect speech. So you have to understand.
Ma'am, but words are not clear.
Yes, words are not clear. वो फोटो लेते समय हिल गया मुझसे. Words are not clear. Yes. ओके देखते हैं ऊपर वाला क्लियर है. कार्टून में क्लियर नहीं है, इसमें तो ठीक है. देखते हैं. मे बी नीचे देखते हैं. ओके सो ओके अच्छा ये पोएम भी कट गया। ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, ये तो कर सकते। इन मेनी countries it is sometimes dash fashion, it is sometimes dash fashionable to think that with time education for all, no,
It
with
is
free,
considered.
it is sometimes, which option?
Considered. C.
Considered. So option C is correct. In many countries it is sometimes considered fashionable to think that with free education for all, one can solve all the problems of society. It is also thought that it helps to dash a perfect nation. Created.
Ma'am, created.
Created.
Ma'am, to create.
Created.
Create.
Ma'am, created.
नहीं, टू निशु टू के साथ V1 लगता है, टू के साथ पास्ट नहीं लगा सकते हैं, टू है ना, हेल्प्स टू।
मैम हेल्प्स इन है।
हाँ, हेल्प्स इन है।
यस मैम।
Ma'am, then creating.
Creating.
हेल्प्स है,
Created is wrong.
हेल्प, यस, क्रिएटिंग। इन है तो क्रिएटिंग होगा। In creating a perfect nation, but dash growth of education among the poor. But
Alarming growth.
alarming growth. Yes, alarming means surprising. Alarming, it means surprising. Okay. Helps in है तो creating होगा। अगर to रहता तब create होता, in है तो creating होगा। ठीक है। How much time is left?
Ma'am, 3 minutes.
10:36.
3 minutes is left. तो ये तुम लोग को बता दिए कि ये if you get this cartoon question, then that question is based on narration, direct and indirect speech, and you will surely get the question on narration. That is an important topic, not only in class 9, in class 10 also. 5 marks question you will get from narration. So it is an important topic. Already it has been taught. So you can revise all the notes. Or in narration you have to study all the 4 kinds of sentence. How the statements are changed, then how the interrogatives are changed. Interrogative, you have to remember that yes no questions are changed by using whether if, but WH questions we don't use whether if. So you have to remember this. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी question आया तो whether if लगाना है. So in only if it is a yes no question, then only you will use whether if. And if it is a WH question, तो उसी question word को फिर से repeat करना है, बस tense बदलना है. जैसे कि he said to me, what is your name? So he asked me what my name was. So here you are not using whether if, you are using the same question word what, and then you are changing is to was, and also you are shifting the position. Mother said to me, where have you kept the bag? So mother asked me where I had kept the bag. Have you है, लेकिन when you change, the pronoun will come first, where I had kept the bag. You have to be careful in this, because in the MCQ you will get confusing options. Where have you kept the bag? Where you have kept the bag. तो 2 option आ जाएंगे. So only when you are very clear in your mind, you can choose the correct option. So you have to also change the word order. in the questions. So in interrogatives, then of course exclamatory, then commands and orders. Command or order में 2 plus V1 लगता है. So even if it is narration, we usually change into past tense. But in command and order, you use 2 plus V1. He said to me, please close the door. So he requested me to close the door. यहाँ D नहीं लगा रहे हैं closed. क्योंकि to use हो रहा है तो to के साथ past tense लगता नहीं है. So in command, order, in command, request and suggestion. In command, requests, suggestion, warning, you don't use past tense, even if it is a command. The man said to his servant, arrange the room. So the man ordered his servant to arrange the room. The officer said to his colleagues, finish the work as early as possible. So the officer commanded his colleagues to finish the work as early as possible. So you have to remember how to change the different kinds of sentences. Statement. In statement, you use that. In questions, you don't use that. So you have to remember this also. And a command and order, 2 plus V1, we don't use past tense. Then of course, exclamatory sentences, we use the word exclaimed. Exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with regret. If the sentence expresses regret, he said, I should have studied hard for my exam. So he regretted that he should have studied hard for his exam. Whatever the question, whatever the sentence is expressing, you have to use that word in the exclamatory sentences. Of course, if it is an exclamatory sentence, you'll use the word exclaimed. So you just revise the notes that are given. Of course, passive has been deleted, but for knowledge sake, you can revise it next year. Again in class 10, passive voice will be there. Okay, so I'm ending the class. Okay, bye all of you. Hello. Hello, my
Thank you,
voice
ma'am.
is audible?
Good day,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Bye,
Good
ma'am.
day to all of you. Good day. Bye. Bye.